Today I'm going to show you how to record your computer screen using OBS Studio. Before I do that, if this is your first time on this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video, give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For any view or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification for you to be the first to know when I drop a new video. Alright, let's move on. First of all, I want to show you how to create OBS Studio. To create OBS Studio, head to the website obsproject.com. This is where you can download your OBS Studio. Here you will simply click on your operating system. If you are on Windows, click on Windows. If you are on Mac, click on Mac. If you are on Linux, click on Linux. After downloading and installing OBS, go ahead and launch the application. That will bring you to a screen that looks like this. To get started with OBS, go up to the top menu here and click on Tools. Click on Auto Compression Wizard. Then you can configure it to what you want to use it for. Optimize for streaming, recording secondary. Optimize for just recording. You want to record only recording, you click on this. You want to use it for streaming to YouTube, Twitch or Facebook, you click on this. I will only be using the virtual camera. Click on this, then click next. You can choose your resolution. You can choose display 1, use current. You can also choose your FPS. If you are using it for game, you can choose 60. If you are using it for record, you can choose 30. Then you click next. Then you click apply settings. Now before you can use OBS, you have to set the scene. The scene is the action press and the source. You already have a scene here. If you want to add another scene, you click on this plus button. Then you name your scene. You want to remove, you click on this minus. Then you move your scene. Here you say there is need to be at this one scene. You can't remove this one at the moment. Then you set your sources. You come here to this plus, click on the plus, then you select anything that you want to see here. You have color source, display capture, cam capture. If you want to capture cam, you click here. You click on cam capture. You want to capture your desktop, you click on here. Your audio, you click and set your audio source, audio input capture. Give it the name. Let's just leave it as it is. Then click OK. Click on the plus again. Audio output capture. Just leave it as default. You click OK. Window capture. This one will capture anything on your screen. Click it. You can change the name. You can leave it as it is. Then you click OK. You can put image. Click OK. You can change the name or leave it as it is. Then browse the image that you want to appear. You choose your image, then click open. Then click OK. You can click on any of the edge and press shift to expand the image. Click shift. Then click on the side. Click the little plus again. click on window capture. Okay, you can add display capture, then okay. Then this little eye is where you can hide. You can click here to hide your source. Click here to bring back. Click here to add. Then you click on this per log to log so that you cannot mistakenly select it to log the source. When you finish setting up your source, you come to this control. Click on start streaming if you want to stream. Click on start record if you want to record your desktop. Then you click on virtual camera. You want to use a virtual camera. Studio mode setting. Then exit. You will click on exit to exit the application. Now let's try to record our desktop. You want to record your desktop, click on start recording. Now I'm recording this scene now. When you finish recording, you click on stop recording. Then where you can find your files is to come to this file. Click on it. Click on show recording. Then you go down to where you have the file. This is the file that we have just recorded now. You can play it. Now I'm recording this scene now. When you finish recording, you click on. That's how to record your desktop. But before we end this video, I would like to point out one thing. When you click on files, when you record your desktop, you click on files, you click on show recording, then you choose your, go to your files and do whatever you want to do. But one thing that I would like to mention is that by default, OBS uses MKV as its own recording format. This is what I mean. So with MKV, you cannot open it in any editing software or share it with others. What you do is that if you are recording with the default setting, after recording, come to this file. You have to come to this to the mouse recording to convert it from MKV to MP4 so that you can open it in any editing software or share with others. So when you click on remote recording, you come here to choose your file. Like in this case, you choose this file, then you click on open. Then you click on remove. Then click on OK. Close the window. With that, you have been able to change the recording format from MKV to MP4, where you can export it to your editing software or share with others. If you don't want to go through remove, you can go to this file, click on setting, then click on output. Then this recording, you can come to recording format. This way you can change it from default MKV to MP3 to MP4. When you change it, you click on OK. So when you are recording now, you will record straight with the MP4 format. Alright, that brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully that was somehow useful to you. But in case you come across any problem doing this, kindly let me know your view in the comment box below. And again, if you want to see more contents like this, like and share this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit that little notification bell for you to be the first to know when I release a new video. Thank you. Bye for now. Yeah.